Hey y'all, it's Kyle with SKIER'S Marine here with another tech tip. Have you ever been out on the water and your engine doesn't want to start? Here to talk you through the 3 most common things we see that keep your engine from cranking. So the first thing we want to look at if the boat doesn't start is the battery switch and the battery charge. Every boat's going to have a battery switch. It's going to be in a different location depending on the make. On this Mastercraft, it's a toggle switch right down here below the throttle. We just want to make sure it's toggled to the on position. On just about every boat brand, when you turn the battery switch on, the screen will boot up and you can see your battery voltage. In this case, we're over 12 volts, which is what we want to see. If battery 1, the primary battery, was dead, we can go to the backup battery on this Mastercraft. That's going to be below this rear seat. There's 3 toggle switches we can turn and it'll use the backup battery. On some other makes, it may just be a rotating knob that you can turn to the 1 and 2 position. The next thing to check is to make sure the boat's in neutral. For safety reasons, the boat won't start with the throttle in forward or reverse. So the easiest way to check that is just to grab hold of the throttle, move it back towards the middle position and give it a little shake, and you can go ahead and try to start the engine. The last thing to check is going to be the kill switch. The kill switch is a safety device. If you ever got thrown overboard, it's going to cut the engine off. But on most boats, it's going to be right around the throttle location. So we just want to make sure that didn't get accidentally pulled or bumped. So to double check that, we can go ahead and pull it all the way out and then reinsert it and start the engine.